So I don't use any needles, which probably is better to do. But I'm a bit lazy. So I'll just line it up and go for it. Which works so far. Let's not get overboard with this. Ah, it's all lining up nice. The foot pedal is a bit jerky. Fast, slow, fast, slow. It's an old machine, very old machine. So yeah, the thing makes a bit sounds like it needs some oil. Yeah, there you have it, a sock. Ah, you see, I did fuck up somewhere along the way. At this, on the other side, well, I'll just go over it again. It's not ideal, it's not very nice, but good enough. I mean, normally you would not do this, but this is a sock, and I'm not a king in sewing. This first side I did is a bit less nice. I think I was a bit rusty. Maybe I should have used some needles. Maybe I do it for the next time, for the next one. Okay, so now I think it's okay. This is not a how to use a sewing machine, because I'm the last person that will teach you how to do it. I already forgot how to spool, but well, we'll find out. I think this is gonna be way too tight for what I want to build, but we'll see. So it's like a sock. So the seam is on the inside right now, and that's how I'll put it on. But yeah, this does look way too small. That would be nice. That would be awesome if it's like not correct. And it might not be correct. Yeah, so I opted for 150. This is not it. Well, I'm not gonna sew anymore. I'm just gonna put it away and wait for the frame to be ready, and then I can check this. If it works, then I'll do the second one. If it doesn't, yeah, I'll have to cut another piece of fabric. But it was nice to have to do this again. It's been a while. I think after, if you do this like for 10-15 minutes, then you're no, well, you're not great at it, but at least it will work. And this thing weighs a ton. You go over here. I'll need you in a few days. See you around. Bye bye.